not doing it all right now, but have to go to the grocery store and get some things. But let's see. Yeah, okay, so just want to put a few things in here quickly and then reassess, reevaluate where I still need things. Okay, so printed off this calendar, and then I printed off different color, but it doesn't matter. A new January, because I had written on that, and then I'll look closer at that. A new February, March, okay, I wasn't sure how far I wrote out, so anyway, it's okay. Here's April. We'll just put these in here, and then we'll have them. This must be not tight there. See if I can bend that a little bit. And May. And then I forgot to hole punch this. This is a really bad copy of it. I'm trying to get a better copy of it. This is the challenge I'm doing that I had inserted. And then this is my old, where did I put my new stuff? Because that was that. But I know that I printed that. So let's pop over here and see if I can find it quick. Okay, I've looked in my other bags. I'm wondering if I put it in the Word document and then didn't print that document. So it's a work in progress. It is a whole year's worth of whatever, right? So we're going to keep adding and deleting things anyway. So anyways, no worries. Just wanted to show you that I printed this out, and I got my new months in here, and the yearly. This is garbage. I still need to go through this stuff. Let's see if I have time to get back to it. I have to go to the grocery store and get a few things, so I keep eating healthy, and I'll talk about that a little bit maybe later about some things that I'm doing with that. But I need to go get the grocery store and get some eggs and some milk, half and half for sure, for our coffee. I just remembered that I wanted to go ahead and highlight a few things here that I was able to get done. I'm going to try out this new marker and see if that's going to work. All right, so we did this together and I wrote work, and I did actually relax. I took a nap Sunday afternoon. This might be a little bit dark, but it's okay to start with. And plan the weekly menu. I'm going shopping now, so I will highlight that. Review the calendar. I talked with my hubby about that. And I did not dust in the surfaces. Vacuum. I should do a really good vacuum. I did that. And yesterday I did relax a little bit because it was the holiday. So it said dust surfaces in the living room, clean bathroom sinks, quick clean in the tub. I did not redo that yet. And let's see if there's anything else that I can empty the garbage cans. Okay, you just saw me do that again. And see, I'm just looking through the entire week to see if there's anything that I can do. I thought that it said about the hand towels. Not seeing it though. You just saw me do that though, so that's okay. Oh, there it is. Yeah, tomorrow. No, it's actually today. Okay, cool. Whenever I do a load of towels, then I throw my hand towels in from the bathroom. It's just a good reminder to me, okay, let's just do that. We throw that in with there. That's the load. So then that takes care of that right away. Okay, I am going to the store now. I'll see you later. Hey there, good morning, new day. Fashion statement, maybe, maybe not. we're gonna clean out our refrigerator. So when I left you yesterday, I had said I was gonna go to the store. Well, then I got busy with the rest of my day and I had to go to work. And what I did was just throw everything in the refrigerator really fast. So I'm gonna show you what I bought, and it wasn't very much. And then we're going to clean the shelves out. Now, my water's hot, so I have my gloves on. It's not the most beautiful thing, but I won't scorch my hands, right? Okay, so let's take a peek inside. And so one of the things in my notebook that I was gonna make, it's called fluffy pancakes, but you need egg whites for that. Plus, I didn't even have any eggs just to substitute the whole thing. So I did get some egg whites, and my gloves are clean. I've not done anything yet, okay? And I wash them every time I use them. So just got egg whites, and man, the prices are crazy high, aren't they? And then I got some almond milk. Actually, this is what I had left. And I went to Walmart, so I got those. I got 2 of those, and I have this one left, trying to set myself up because I will use this because I won't want it to go to waste. So then I'll make my smoothies, okay? And then in the door, this one has just a little bit in it left. So the one that I would be currently using, I keep in the door, okay? Now, this is just water that I stuck in here the other day. I'll put it out and then I'll drink it. So that takes care of that. And so I did not make my cabbage yet. I need to do that. This is just bacon I need to cook up, and that's from supper last night. This is from supper, and there's some things in here that I have to throw out, unfortunately. But we're gonna do the thing, and then I probably will get myself something to eat. I've not eaten yet today. Just had my coffee, which is not even completely finished. So I think all my veggies are good. I'm really hoping. And I have extra relish, but it's too much to combine with the other jars that I have in here. I had them from an event and I bought too much. So I'll probably make some either tuna salad or chicken salad. My hubby likes that. So I think I'll just pull this out, and that will remind me to do that. Maybe I can do that with you. I have other things to do, so we'll see what we get into. But anyway, and then I just have to organize my door here. I'm gonna take you off here and move you so you can see better. Okay, so I'm just gonna start from the top and work my way down and shut the door in between so things stay cold, okay? So what I'm gonna do is take all of these things out, clean it out, combine what I can, and I'll try to show you as much as I can, organize things. It's just a chaotic mess because, as you know, I've just been going from one thing to the next, and we're getting life back on track, and this is part of that, okay? So I'll throw away what I can't use. I will combine what I can, and I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to take this. There's just a tiny little bit in here, and I'm going to throw it away because I don't want to eat that anyway. And then there's little bread ends and whatever, so I'll probably combine all that, and then maybe I can make my cabbage today. So if I do, I need to get my sausage out to thaw. So let's do that real fast while you're watching me again. It needs to get done anyway. This I might do today. I might not do today. I have other things to do, as I said. And I know that I brought sausage in yesterday, but see, this is why I need to organize it, because I'm just shoving things to get by in my day. Do I want to use this? I thought I had, I know that I did, sausage link, but not link. All right, well, I'll try to find it with 2 hands. Okay, we're gonna do the best we can. All right, let me put you back up so you can watch, and I'll speed it up for you. All right, there we go. Much, much better. I can see everything. I know exactly what's there. And as you see, the day yesterday, I guess it was, that I went to the store and I bought the low carb. Actually, I don't think that was yesterday. Anyways, I bought those low carb wraps, and I actually had some in my drawer. So this is why it's important to pull things out of your refrigerator and use through. So now what I'm going to do is plan my menu accordingly. And so obviously salad and leftovers, my guys will be happy to eat there. And some of that's okay. That yellow is spaghetti squash I made the other night. And then broccoli, obviously. And I'm going to try to convince them to get that hot bologna jar done so we can get that big thing out of there. And I just feel better because everything is organized and I can see everything. And not that yours has to be like this and you don't need those special containers. It helps me to condense things there. But I have a few things that I need to combine and then put back in the refrigerator, put in smaller containers. So that's why I have that open, but I have this cheese there and there's some noodles there, and I'm going to start my cabbage today. Okay, but my sausage is over here thawing. Okay, let's shut this door. I'm not going to do the freezer today. I don't really have time, unless later on, if I feel like I have time, then I'll tackle that too, but I'm not going to do it right now. Okay, so in true transparency, as I said that I was going to do, I want to show you my water because it might look like sometimes that I'm not cleaning anything, but trust me, I'm gonna put this away, but trust me, there is dirt, and like my rag, you can see probably that that's not clean anymore. And this I need to condense or throw down the garbage disposal, but I want to show you the water here. It's not terrible, but it's definitely not clean. Really actually hard to see. It's like a gray tint. Yeah, maybe you can see that better there. Yeah, so anyway, I'm glad I got that done. And I'm gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna get this stuff condensed, all right? Okay, so I know this looks like a lot, but here's something I also try to do. If I'm gonna make a mess, I'm gonna try to make it all at one time. And then I clean up as I go, and then I'll have this for a couple days instead of just trying to scramble when my husband comes home from work or wants something to eat quickly, or if I just need to put something in my mouth. It's a good choice. This is a light mayonnaise. I didn't put very much in. I did put more relish in than I normally do because I wanted to get rid of that jar, but that's okay. It'll just be a little more pickly this time, and that's fine too. All right, so I'm gonna clean this up here. I'm gonna switch you around and show you what's been going on over here, okay? Okay, so what's been going on over here is my touch it once roll. When I would walk away from the camera, you'd see me come over to this side. I'm cleaning up as I go. That way I don't have to have a big mess at the end, because a lot of times, if you're like me, we don't finish the job because it's overwhelming. It looked a little crooked there. Is that we don't finish the job because it's overwhelming, right? So if we do a little bit at a time, I've already got it in my hand. Let me clean it up, okay? And as I was going, now my dishwasher's full, and so I'm going to start that as well. So let me wash this out and we'll get that going, all right? So this is plastics. I'm going to move a couple things. Sometimes you have to rearrange, and that's okay. And sometimes people don't put stuff like this in the dishwasher, and that's okay. My way is not necessarily right. My way is my way, right? So that is done. I need to put this jelly away fast. I had it over here. I rinsed it off after I combined the jars, so it could just drain a little bit, and I'll just dry it off. Put that away, and then this will be done too. All right. Now, all that's left to do is drink my coffee, and then I can close up the kitchen. Okay, well, I'm on my way out the door to do some errands and go to work for a little bit. So I'll see you next time. Have a great day.